I like to use olive oil when I do these kind of tacos. These kind of tacos are a little different than what most people are used to. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the grease, which in this case is olive oil. That's always what I use for them. You can use any kind of grease. Okay, get that really hot. I've got basically I just mix some onion. I think I'm going to season this a little bit with some salt and pepper. I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. I want that grease really hot because we're actually going to almost deep fry these things. What you do is take this stuff and just put a patty on one side. About like that. I don't know if that's hot enough yet or not. And you put it in, kind of fold it toward the non-patty side like that. I'm just making sure that oil gets kind of down inside the tacos to make sure that meat gets cooked. Alright. Here's kind of one of your tricks for preparing these things. They kind of stand up for you if you use one of these disposable type containers. Of course, are good for other reasons too. We're just going to open it up, put the cheese in. And I like to put the cheese up next to the meat so it melts. Some people like cheese on top. And if you want to get a little decadent, then you put some sour cream in there as well. And some of us even like a little salsa. And I just eat them right out of here. That way everything drops down in there and life is good. So that's how you make camp tacos.